The rise of skin cycling, a gentle beauty trend reshaping skincare in 2025. Skin cycling, a method once shared in niche skincare communities, has become a mainstream sensation by 2025. Its rise marks a turning point in how people care for their skin, replacing complicated 10-step routines with a more strategic and minimal approach. The idea is simple. Rotate active ingredients across a set number of days to give your skin time to recover and rebuild. This method not only reduces irritation, but enhances product efficacy, especially crucial in a time when consumers demand results without compromise. The core skin cycling method follows a 4-night schedule. Night 1 is exfoliation night, where alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs, are applied to slough away dead skin cells. Night 2 introduces retinoids, stimulating collagen production and improving skin texture. Nights 3 and 4 are recovery nights, focused on hydration and barrier repair with ceramides, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. This rhythm allows the skin to benefit from powerful actives without becoming inflamed or damaged, a major draw for both skincare enthusiasts and beginners. The impact of this technique has spilled over into both consumer behavior and the product industry. Major brands now design skincare lines built around the skin cycling model, packaging routines as easy-to-follow sets. Influencers and dermatologists alike support this approach, not just for its effectiveness, but for its mindfulness. As more consumers seek to align their beauty routines with wellness principles, skin cycling fits perfectly into the narrative of balance, recovery, and intention, something increasingly valuable in a fast-paced world. Beyond skincare, the concept of cycling is influencing health routines more broadly. Sleep cycling, workout cycling, and even mental focus cycling are emerging trends. They all point to one core insight: the body thrives on rhythm. Instead of constant intensity or overuse, 2025's beauty and health mindset embraces the power of intervals and recovery. This is a year of recalibration, where slowing down is no longer a sign of weakness, but a mark of strategy and self-respect.